Hello everyone, Namaste. Yeah, I am here to discuss on the many topics the tariff war is going on between India and USA. So why that's important for India? Because of we trade with US around something around $100 billion, and we are in a trade surplus around 14 billion dollar. So that's why Trump imposed tariff on us, because of he wanted why Indians make money from US and buy weapons from Russia and use this money buy weapon from Russia. That's why I think Trump imposed tariff on India. And they want the Americans wants to open the agriculture sector and dairy sectors to American farms. So I think the our Prime Minister Narendra Modi uh, took important step to protect our farmer interest, because of our 70 percent of our Indian population depend on agriculture sector. If you open agriculture sectors, then the American companies coming in Indian markets, even in low price, and generic foods and generic milks and generic crops, this sell in American markets, because of that our Indian farmers has been destroyed. So in India there is many religions public living. Hindi, Hindu, who is I think 10% or 15%, how many he they are vegetarians. After that the generic milk genetic milk available on the Indian markets, I think so there is collapse of between the uh, public on governments will be happens if Indian governments open the sectors like agriculture or dairy farm sectors. So that's why Indian governments took a step to protect our farmer interest. The recent topic going on, Pakistan threatened India. If India not uh, India not provide water to Pakistan's, and uh, Indian governments uh, Indian governments stop water refused treaty between Indian and Pakistan, which happened on I think 1916. Uh, 1916, in Jammu Kashmir, the dam they threaten India if you not release water from the dam. So they destroyed dam, and they threaten India, and they said we have a nuclear state, and we have a such kind of military power, we destroy India. But they forgets how India recently the operations in Operation Sindoor, India playing with uh, how India playing with Pakistan's, destroying 11 air bases and six fighter jet, including I think two or three F-16 fighter jets. So I think and the and one AVAX, I think. What's information provided by our uh, chief of Air Force? I believe in my Air Force. I believe in my military. I believe in my governments, because in the in the era of war, the uh, very misinformation flowing on social media. When the recent Operation Sindoor was going on, I was active in social media, in X, formerly known as Twitter. There are many misinformation spreading. The Pakistani says we shot down 6 Indian fighter jet, and including 3 Rafale. Uh, what I think what that Pakistani officer said, because of they want to show some our pupils pupils pupil and I think the Pakistanis armed forces knows how India destroyed him. Their uh, uh, infrastructure, like 20% of military infrastructure damaged by our Indian armed forces. So and in brief, press conference which was done by our both Pakistanis and Indian armed forces. Uh, what information provided by our armed forces is so different. They provide satellite images and the full proof, and what Pakistanis officer provide, like editing pictures. That's Chinese, which was provided by, I think, Chinese. And I think in that recently Operation Sindoor, the Chinese also helped a lot of Pakistanis armed forces. They claimed the Pakistanis damaged S-400. What's reality? Reality is so different. There is nothing loss of our any systems. You know. Our S-400 shot down. The historic 300 longest 300-kilometer longest fighter jet. That's is the reality. That is the only reality. The Pakistanis armed forces only spread believes in spreading the narrative, false narrative. So that's why I am believe in my uh, armed forces. And I want to say one thing on that. Yeah, in future, what I can say, there is a lot of war will come because of what situation is created uh, is created is going on, because of, I think, the lots of war we can see, we will see in future. So we will ready to not misguided by the false information. we have to ensure we have to ensure ourselves and believe in our armed forces. We are so capable. Our armed forces are so capable as to manage Pakistan and China, or on both. And we I am very honest to my honorable to my prime minister, who was who is, I think, so calm and cool, and what leadership on the highest level is so is so impactful. You know, when was Mumbai attack in 2008 happened, the Indian government not taken any stop to teach a lesson of terrorist. After that, 2014, our Indian government uh, change change our I can say our motive and teach, and they decided, our government decided teach a lesson of Pak and or terrorist of Pakistan. Pakistan is, I think, a terrorist state. There is no doubt. Uh, Here is no doubt on Pakistan is Pakistan is terrorist state. Uh, they protect terrorism, and also, you know, the US is interesting on Pakistan, and American claims uh, Pakistan will sell the oil of India in future. That's is the that's it the Trump want. That is the America wants. But I think that is never will happen because of Pakistan is a terrorist state, and you know, we have a chance in this conflict. We have a chance to get a POK, but you know, there is a we know we are in not in such situation. We are not in some we are in still developing country, not developed country, and we are not a a large economy. We have to first, and we have to work on ourselves to grow our economy, and after that, when we are in good position, and when we are so capable, when we are in self dependent, uh, self reliant, that's is the reality. In wars, in between the war in any countries, I think not wanted to depend on other countries. You know, in 2000 and before 2010, 2014, we are dependent on foreign military equipments. All is coming from the foreign countries, like bullet rifles, AK-47, tanks, वगैरह वगैरह. But we we take a step on working that fields, and you know, 60% of our military equipments made in India. I am I feel in next 10 years India is become so strong and so self-reliant country. uh, Also, I think yeah, there is when some uh, when some challenge comes with opportunity, challenges with come with opportunity. Yeah, we have an opportunity to create to build our tech digital platforms, like YouTube, Chrome's, Google's, and many more things. This is a wake up call for our Indians to India to take a necessary step to protect our national interest. So that's all uh, from my side. Thank you. Thank you.